You have to call yourself Yadra.
Oh shit! Shit!
Otherwise it ruins the thing, dude.
Hey, I call myself
Shakira.
Yaduraj.
What did he call him?
Shakira. Wait, why are there two Shakiras? Shakira.
Who is Shakira?
Hi, Woojin. Hi, Juju.
Hi.
Oops, I messed up.
Also,
Does everybody?
Hey, guys. If he
Does everybody have a party outfit?
Yeah.
Guys, if he comes, we'll start
Well, mine is not
so
really a
much.
party. Yeah.
Nobody's listening.
What did you say,
I was
Naya?
trying to talk.
Naya, what did you say?
If he comes, we're gonna start coughing, okay?
Coughing? Okay. But
Okay.
we'll see if he comes, but
Who's
yeah.
That's true.
For the hips don't
Wait, is
lie,
everybody
people,
here?
I'm
Guys,
doing music.
when we get in the Zoom meeting, well, the
We
meeting,
are
it says
in the meeting.
live streaming is on.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh. Wait, no, it's fine. He will probably won't know. Oh. Yeah.
Hi,
Guys,
Kay.
guys,
Okay.
Who's me?
Oh yeah, I see it.
It is you. Is it you?
Wait, are you live streaming this?
Yeah.
of
Oh,
course.
for God's sake.
But could you like send us? God damn it, guys! God damn it!
It's okay. We got it.
I sent the link on Hangouts. Go
But
check.
you- Oh, okay, Hangouts, yeah.
Make yourself
There's
popular.
nothing on Hangouts.
Go check now.
I can't see anything.
Can you go behind and close the curtain? Wait, Jenner or Risa, whoever's doing the music. If he comes, we're gonna.
Sorry.
Guys, stop the music, seriously.
Hi, Mister.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Rasmus.
Hey, nice
Hello,
to see all
Mr.
your bright and
Rasmus.
smiling faces.
You too, Mr.
I don't
Rasmus.
see any of your bright and smiling faces, though.
Internet too bad, Mr. Rasmus. What can I say nowadays? Internet very bad.
Okay, well, do you have any questions? That's what we're here for.
About what?
About what, mister?
About what? About the questions that I gave you. Did you get them from? Oh, yeah. Did you get them from Chloe?
Miss?
Oh yeah, we did the other day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Was that due today?
I
No,
didn't
don't
get
think
them,
so.
Mister.
Who didn't get them?
Me, Luke, here.
Luke.
Sorry.
Luke. Okay. Yeah. I still need to scan them. I mean, I have to scan them, so it
Oh,
takes time.
sorry. Yeah,
Sorry.
but that's why I don't have any questions because I didn't.
Okay,
I-
because you
I-
didn't look at them.
yeah.
Okay, I'll
Sorry.
scan them right after this session.
Okay, thank you.
This is the last session for me today.
Mister,
Yes.
will you send the answers at one point, like on Pronote or something?
Yes, I can do that, but it's better if you
Thank
can
you,
ask the
Mr.
questions
Rasmus.
before-
Thank you.
It's better that you work on them before I send the answers.
When is it due?
Well, it's not going to be due. I mean, you're just going to eventually be tested on this.
Which type of test?
Are we gonna have a test like during confinement?
Yeah.
During the confinement, no, because we're only on 2 weeks of confinement, 2 weeks of vacation, and
Okay.
you need your vacation too.
Yes, we do.
Mommy, I'm hungry. Please, can I have banana?
Yadaraj, you can wait till after the video conference.
Was I not muted, sir?
What?
Was I not muted?
No, you were not muted.
Oh, shit.
Yadaraj. Attention with your language, because you're not
Mister,
muted.
for question number 4, I don't get it.
Question number 4. There's probably more than question number 4. So,
Because we didn't do this in class.
well, yeah, there's one equation that you're not responsible for. That's v squared minus u squared equals 2as. You're not responsible for that.
So which questions don't we do?
It's pages 56 and just at the very top of page 57. Just page 56 and the very top of page 57. V squared minus U squared equals 2AS.
Will we have to give it in after the vacation?
No,
or
you
not?
don't have to give it in. This is just getting you ready for your B test.
So the only homework on the 4 weeks is
Well,
this.
you only have 2 weeks of 2 weeks of school, and so it's
Yeah.
really 2 weeks.
Mister, I don't get no question number 4.
Okay, number 4. Number 4 on page what? No, on page
Well,
1?
I don't know because I didn't look at them because I didn't know we had to look at them. But first
Well, yeah,
page.
you did know you had to look at them because I put it on ProNote as a homework.
Mm,
Okay.
Well, why are you asking about question number 4 if you didn't have to look at them and you didn't look at
because
them?
I read it right now.
Okay, so question number 4 on page 49?
The first page.
Yeah, 49.
Yeah.
It's just asking you to draw a 40 Newton force, which has to be double the 20 Newton force to the right for A, and for B, 20 Newton force to the left. So it's roughly 1.2 centimeters. So you draw 1.2 centimeters. Yeah, 1.2 centimeters. Yeah, 1.2 centimeters.
So
And
for
that's the whole
for
idea
A,
of.
we just continue the line.
No, you have an A and a B. On A, it has to be from box A, and for B, it has to be from box B. I mean, you have 3 different boxes. You have the box with the 20 Newton force on it, so you measure that. It's 1.2 centimeters. So on box A, you have to, because it's 40 newtons, it's twice as big. It should be 2.4 centimeters, and that will represent 40 newtons to the right.
Sir?
And then for B, because you're asked to draw a 20 Newton force in the opposite direction on box B, it's going to be 1.2 centimeters to the left.
Sir, I have
Wait
question.
a minute. Who asked that question? Dania?
No, sir, it was
No, it's
Francesca.
me.
Who's me?
Francesca.
Who? Francesca. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because your voice.
Sir, I think you're muted.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear now?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, we can hear you, sir.
Okay, sorry. So you didn't hear my response?
No, yeah, I did.
Yeah, you did. But how could I be muted and you hear me at the same time?
Because you
But, sir, it was
you turned it off like
Or you
right
were
now.
tuck.
it was assumption that you were muted.
You turned
Okay.
the mic off before, after saying the answer.
Yaraj, didn't you have a question?
Yeah, mister, I have question only, sir.
Yes, Raj.
Sir, my question is, sir, what are actually vectors? Can you please explain?
You have that in your notes. I mean, that's something you do have in your notes.
What?
Hey. No, we're not here to dance.
Disco.
No.
Oh my god.
No. Who's this? This is Chloe, and this is Juju, and this is Sophia and Naya. Okay. Oh, Juju Warbington?
Mhm.
Juliet? Juju? Okay. So what was the other question?
I had a question. Next Tuesday, are we gonna do something like this?
Well, next Tuesday you're on vacation.
No, but I mean in 3 weeks.
Yeah, in 3 weeks. Yes. Yeah, and then by then I'll scan this, Luke. Luke, I'll scan this today as soon as we finish.
Yeah. Of course.
Why am I soft?
Okay. So you'll have a couple weeks to finish it. And again, remember page, what did I say, 65? Forget about, you don't have to worry about that equation, that expression. 56, not 65, 56. That you'll see that in S6. I mean, it's an equation you'll see later on, but
Wait, Zach, is this page 56, number 3?
56, all of page 56.
Oh, we don't do that.
Well, you should be able to do number 1 because that's just the units, but number 2, you're not responsible for that equation.
Okay, and number 3?
Well, number 3, it's the same equation, so you're not responsible for it.
And number 4?
Number 4, you're not responsible for it because it's the same equation.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Who was that?
This is Francesca again.
Oh, Francesca. Okay. Yeah, your microphone is not clear, so I can't recognize your voice, or my speaker is not clear. Okay. Other questions? No, people, we're not here to do that. You can do that later. Any other questions?
I don't think so.
Sir,
No.
I
Sir?
still didn't
I
get
guess not.
the fourth exercise.
The force what?
Exercise.
Which one is that?
The diagram shows 20 north, 20.
No, tell me which page. Hey, could you turn off the music, please? Which page?
The first page 49 is the first one on the sheet.
Oh, number 4?
Yeah.
We just talked about that.
Yeah, I still didn't get it.
It says that the diagram shows a 20 Newton force acting on a box. Draw an arrow on box A. So to represent a 40 Newton force, so it's twice as big, so it has to be twice as long. So the 20 Newton force is 1.2 centimeters, so the 40 Newton force is 2.4 centimeters, and it has to be in the same direction. So you draw it from the right side of box A, twice as long, and that represents the 40 Newton force. Does that make sense?
Yeah, okay.
All right. And B is just going to be a 20 Newton force to the left, so in the opposite direction. So it's going to be 1.2 centimeters to the left of B. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir. Can I one serious question, sir? This time, sir, what happens if you multiply a vector with a scalar quantity?
You get a number that is going to be a vector quantity, because when you multiply, for instance, f equals ma, m is a. Who's doing that? Most people's microphones are off.
Sir, I think there is someone in this class who's not supposed to be here. Someone exterior, sir. You know, like, have you seen those YouTube prank videos?
No, I don't spend my time watching YouTube prank videos.
Sir, neither do I. But my friend sent it to me. Sir, I think there is someone in this class who's not supposed to be here. Let's hunt him down.
Like who?
There is someone in this class which is not in the class.
Like Frank?
No. Frank is Yingzong, sir. He's my best
friend.
Yingzong.
Yeah, but I don't recognize Frank when it's Yingzong.
It could be that Luke guy from the YouTube, whatever.
No, it's not Luke.
No, not Luke, but there's this YouTuber.
Yes.
That's
Luke,
nice.
No, not you, Luke, but someone else.
You, Luke.
I suggest, sir, we should hunt him down one by one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yadaraj, how about if we we finish answering your question, like F equals ma.
Yes, sorry, sir. Yeah. So
M is a
force
scalar,
equals.
A is a vector, F is a vector. It's a very good question, Yadaraj.
Oh, thank you, sir. So when you multiply magnitude scalar vectority by velocity vector quantity, you get always you get velocity. I mean vector quantity. There is no exception, sir.
Well, you have a vector quantity, and all you're doing is increasing it or decreasing it in magnitude.
Okay. So always it's a vector quantity.
Yes, it's going to be a vector quantity, Yadaraj.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, someone.
Francesca again.
Francesca, yes, I see you now.
Okay.
Well, I see your light flashing. Yes.
Sir, someone kicked Luke out. Oh no, he's still here. Never
Okay,
mind.
Francesca, what's your question?
For question number 1, but on page 50.
On page 50? Yes.
How do you know which car, like, state and explain which cars is going to be moving at a constant speed? Like, how do you identify that it's going to be moving at a constant speed?
Okay. Well, take a guess. Tell me what you think.
No clue.
No clue, none at all. Yeah, no, we didn't talk about this. But I mean, the worksheet I got, I mean, it all relates to the topic, and we would have gotten to this sooner or later, but we hadn't gotten to it yet. It just happens to be in this workbook in kind of reverse order of the way I expected to do it. It just means that the force is balanced to the left and to the right, so there's no resultant force. And when there's no resultant force, things travel at a constant speed. We still haven't gotten to Newton's laws of motion, so that chapter is worth reading. I'll put it on.
That means it would be number C, no?
C, yes, C is the answer. Yes, because the force of the engine balances the force of air resistance, so the two forces cancel out. So that means that it's going to travel according to Newton's first law of motion. So that means it will travel according to Newton's first law at a constant speed in a straight line.
Okay, thank you.
Because there is no resultant force. Resultant force means that there's going to be an acceleration.
Okay, so resultant force means acceleration, sir. And acceleration is initial velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, sir. Sir, I think you muted again, sir.
Did someone mute the teacher?
It says it on my screen. Reset cut my microphone.
Oh my god.
I think we found our mole.
Sure.
I think someone hacked it. I think someone hacked
It
it.
was reset. It told me on my screen.
Sir, as you say, sir.
Whoopsies.
As you say, sir. I take your word for it, sir.
Okay, other questions?
Yeah.
These are good questions.
For question B, is there a difference between constant speed and constant velocity?
Yes, there is a difference. Why? What's the difference between speed and velocity? Yadaraj, is that you?
Yep.
No, sir.
Yeah, I
Yes,
think
it
so.
Stop
No,
lying.
sir.
I mean, everybody else's microphone is cut with
Yeah.
one or two exceptions.
No, sir. I'm on my phone, sir.
Yeah, that might be the problem. So, Francesca, you asked the question.
Yeah.
What's the difference between velocity and speed?
Velocity is the distance traveled in unit time in its state direction.
Ah, that's the big part. What's the last three words?
State direction?
Last four words, sorry. In a stated direction, okay.
Yeah, but then how do you see that it's going to be a constant velocity?
Oh, wait a minute. So which one are you asking me about?
It's 1b.
1B. Oh, okay, right. State and explain which car or cars is moving at a constant velocity. Well, because what does it tell you in the first sentence? What about car A? What does it say?
Car A,
Yeah,
braking force?
no. Are you looking at on page 50?
Yeah.
50, number 1A?
Mhm.
This doesn't say anything about braking force.
No, number B.
Oh, B.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, what does it say it's the car B is doing?
It doesn't say anything.
No, read the beginning. Read the first sentence. Second sentence.
Oh, car B is going around about at 50
Yeah, and what is a
meters per
roundabout?
hour. Circle.
Circle. So what is it doing when it's going in a circle?
Driving.
Yeah, but you got to be more precise. It's driving, yes, but
Oh, in the same
in the same what?
direction?
It's not going in the same direction if it's going in a circle. And that is the difference.
Yeesh.
So car A is going in a straight line because it's on a straight road, and car B is going on a roundabout, so it's changing direction constantly.
So it would be A. It would be car A.
For part B, car A because it is moving in on a straight road, and part A is both are moving at a constant speed because they're both moving at 15 miles per hour. But speed refers to the magnitude, but it doesn't refer to direction. So both are moving at 15 miles per hour, so they both have a constant speed. But in part B, because it's going in a circle, it's constantly changing. Car B is constantly changing direction, but car A is not. So car A answers part B because it's moving at a constant velocity because its direction and its speed are both constant.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, who said that? I know it was a long answer for a short question.
No, it's not that. It's because someone's called Mia something, and that's not very cool.
Mia something.
You should, whoever that is, you should probably change it right now because that's not very good.
Yeah, bro. Who it is it?
Well, I can't. MK?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's him. It's him.
I mean, Mia Khalifa. Seriously?
Yeah.
Who's MK?
Who is she, Bree said?
You should know.
She's this really famous person, but like for the wrong reasons. Yeah.
She's
She's
murderer.
famous?
She's criminal.
Just change your name, whoever you are.
Oh, they
Oh,
left.
I just excluded the person, whoever that was.
Good.
He's called me. Mister.
Yes.
You're called me.
Yeah, and so?
That's short for Michael Erasmus.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Brain cells.
Oh, the person came back on.
Coco?
Mister, can we use Zoom next time? Because we used it for math and English, and all our parents are okay with it.
Yeah, Jitsi is
No,
very bad.
Coco's here. Coco's
Yeah,
here.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just getting used to this one, so
With
this is
this
the
one,
one
it's
that's
like everybody can go in.
Yeah,
Everybody can
sir,
join.
Yeah.
if
everybody
you
can.
want, I can hack that person.
Go.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay,
Uh-oh.
let's answer physics questions while we're on physics. This is the one that was proposed by our school because it's on the pro note, and so the
Yeah,
one
but
I'm.
But
sir,
it's not good.
school don't know about security, sir. They only care about cheap way to do
Shut up,
things
Yara.
fast.
But the internet isn't really good on day one. It takes a lot of internet. Personally, I
Can
feel.
somebody kick out Yadaraj, please, or something?
Also, Mister,
I agree.
Mister,
Can we vote?
the English teacher
Yes.
did a little survey to see
Good
to
reset.
see who was
You're
okay with
welcome.
using Zoom, and practically all the parents, I think, or like all of them, said that we were allowed to use Zoom.
Yeah, well, nobody transferred this information to me, so.
Oh, but
You
I
can
am transferring it to you.
Oh, but you are the school should be transferring this information to
Yeah,
me.
but the school didn't know.
It's
Maybe
official.
maybe
Reset,
we could
please
ask
stop
Miss
kicking me
Morris
out.
to
Seriously,
transfer the
reset.
information to you. Oh, okay.
I don't actually understand what the difference. I mean, this is what we use when we do consolidated class, and it works just fine.
But
And,
in Zoom, you can add virtual backgrounds.
we don't care about virtual
It's just that
backgrounds.
at the start you were surprised because all our cameras are off, but we have to do that because some internet connections aren't very good, like mine,
Yeah.
and so like we can't put all our cameras on, and it's just better to see like all the faces to
Interact. And
interact.
Yadraj kicked out Reset, which is quite rude.
People
if
stop
I say so
acting like
myself.
children.
Okay, but to be fair, everyone was kicking out Yadraj before.
Ah,
Yeah, why,
I mean, he deserved that.
okay.
Yeah, he
So
kind
anyway,
of deserves it.
okay, well, this is what we use for consolidated class, and it works fine. So I want to just stick with it because that seems to be the accepted mode by our school, and I'm just getting used to this one. So I have not had the opportunity to use Zoom yet. Maybe I'll try it sometime in the near future. But I just set up all my week's video conferences on Jitsi, and so I just did. I mean,
Mister, can we do a Zoom, whatever this is called, meeting?
Jitsi.
Yeah, the week after the vacation to check the answers.
Oh, yes.
So you
Yeah.
put the answers, and then we come on the call, so we can, if we have questions about the answers, we can ask.
Yes,
yeah, well,
please.
I will post the question. I mean, even you can